I picked up a bunch of Akro bins for cheap. They're all dirty. Oops. And like I think there's hydraulic fluid. It is on there pretty good. I got quite a bit of them, so I came up with the idea of just throwing them in the washing machine. So I've been doing this for a couple hours now. It just runs in the background and gets pretty clean. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's a whole lot better, and there's no work involved. I'm using just some degreaser, just some cheap stuff. So I throw them in, I let them run a cycle. It's just on like delicates. So I let it run a cycle, and then I dig through it and pull out ones that are clean and fill it up with new ones. And it's been working pretty good. So if you have a bunch of Akro bins that need to be cleaned and you don't want to do work, I think it's a good way to do it. And then just replace them as necessary. Put a clamp here just to keep it from going into spin cycle, and just let them run. The washing machine doesn't seem to complain or anything, so I guess it works.